pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing before the end of the video. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. You guys know I love you bunches. So today I've got Boxycharm. We're going to do this unboxing. It is the base box, the $25 a month recurring charge, the beauty subscription that has 5 full-size items, usually over $100 value, and I think that's it, right? Some beauty, some makeup, that kind of thing. So I think there should be an eyeshadow palette in this one. I hope so. Otherwise, I didn't do my eyeshadow today. So let's go on and check it out. All right. Here she is here. We've got a card. This tells us about the products and also gives us the prices. Some info, prices, that kind of thing. Ooh, the first thing I see is that Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. So I am glad I don't have eyeshadow on. Let's open her up. This is supposed to be $45, the value? Wow. Okay, so the packaging is very, very basic. It always is. You have the shade names on the back. Let's see. It's got a mirror, and this is what it looks like. Kind of like these over here. Maybe that's what I'll do. All right, I'm going to put this aside for now so we can see what else is in the box. Okay. What is this? Claire's New York Serum Vitamin E Retinol. Okay, so this is what? A serum, I'm guessing? Yep. $24.99 is the retail value. Let's open her up. Basic packaging. Doesn't really feel like there's anything in it. Oh, but there is. Here it is here. Let's just put a little on my hand. I don't really smell anything. Yeah, very light gel-like kind of serum. All right, let's move on. Oh my goodness, the booty drops. If this makes my booty tight, I don't know. It's got caffeine in it. A butt forklift, it says. Oh dear Lord. Grape seed oil. What's the value? $17.95. Of course, we're going to open her up. Here it is here. I just don't know. Squeeze 3 to 4 drops into your moisturizer or use directly on dry skin. Rub all over your body. Use daily. I just never had anything like this that seems to work. Oh my goodness. It is definitely a very liquidy oil. I'll just put some on my thigh here. It feels like you're putting a thick oil on. That's exactly what it feels like. It's made me shiny. And it almost smells like coffee. Okay. All right. We'll see how it works. I don't know. Have to update you. All right. Next, Manicadar Hydration Happy Face Mist. I have this, I think. I'm not sure if it's the exact one, but I've got one of hers from when she did, what was it? That bi-monthly box, American Influencer Awards. I don't get that box anymore. I've actually canceled quite a few boxes. Okay, let's see if she's got a nice scent. And she does. Very perfumey though. Whew. Ooh, it smells like coffee. Booty drops. Coffee. Alright. Okay. So we've got one item left. Let's see. Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. This is actually a really nice container. The value says $54, so I'm like, really? Okay. It's a lot for lashes. So let's open her up. See what we got in here. Okay. Looks like it's got the metal tool, the lashes, and the lash glue. Ooh, what is this? Is this the instructions? Okay, yeah, comes with little instructions. Alright, so let's recap and then we'll get into the eyeshadow palette. So we've got the really expensive lashes, the serum, the Manicador Mist, the Booty Drops, yeah, and then the Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. Let's just see how well this performs. That's going to be able to tell me whether or not this is a good box. Does it work? Does it not work? Does it work? Does it not work? Let's see. Alright, we've got some blinged brushes over here. We've got those MOTD brushes. Let's just see. I've got MAC Paint Pot on my eyes. So, let me go ahead and go in with one of the lighter shades. Woo, a lot of kick up. I'm going to just put this lighter shade right in the crease. Ooh, it looks... These are cool tones for sure. I always see Laura Geller in TJ Maxx. Okay, so really powdery eyeshadow. Hopefully I can get a look with it. Alright, let's move on to something else. There's a really pretty brown in here. Actually, let's go on down to the last row and put this taupe color in my crease. I still can't believe this is $54. That to me is insane. What do you guys think? I mean, wow. Okay, so we've got a few other colors in here I kind of want to try. I think what I'm going to do is go down here to the last row, over to the second to the last, and pick up this color and just see what it does. It's a shimmer. It's got a lot of fallout. Where's the pigment, Laura? Or maybe I'm just spoiled with other eyeshadows. Could be. Could be spoiled. That's for sure. Alright. We're not going to play anymore. Let's go ahead and grab some setting spray. Put it on this MOTD sweep brush. I've got something in my eye today. These eyeshadows are not helping. Alright. Let me just try this color again. Now it's bunching up a little bit. Let's see if we can smooth it out. Do you know my thoughts? Let's try this other pretty color. And then we'll go in with a blending brush to see how much help we actually need. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me right now. Okay, so basically everything is blending together. But at this point, I just want to see if it works, if they work. Fallout, patchiness, you name it, probably wrong. Okay. Alright, so this color here did okay, and this one did okay. Not too bad. I mean, a little patchy, didn't really, blending wasn't terrible, it just wasn't that good. So I'm just going to leave this like this, and we're going to try one of these shimmers up here at the top. These are very powdery. Can you see how powdery they are? Yeah, super powdery. I really don't think Laura Geller should be on the market anymore. Just, their products are expensive, and they really shouldn't be. I mean, like, to me, this would be like a $15 palette. That's kind of how the formula is. I mean, if you want to sit here and work with it, then yeah, you know, fine. But it's just, it's not a high-end brand, in my opinion. Let's see. But I definitely want to know what you guys think. Alright, I'm going to put some liner on, and then we are going to talk lashes. Alright, so I'm taking a look at these eyelashes now, and they look backwards. I grabbed this one here, which is supposed to be for this eye, and I'm looking at it, and you're supposed to cut them from the back, and this here is shorter than this, and it's supposed to be either the same length or longer for the back. So I'm like, okay, this would actually probably do better on this eye than it would for the one that it's supposed to, because this is longer. So, and there's more of them right here. It's just, that's weird. I'm going to go ahead and trim it. And then let's see what kind of glue they gave me. I've got the little metal things to hold them. Sticking to me. Alright. Let's put these just like that. And pull out this adhesive. I have a feeling this is going to be one of those. Okay, no, it's got a brush. It's not actually just a plastic tip. So let's go ahead and coat this. It's weird. It's showing up a weird color. It's showing up like blue. Is it supposed to do that? Huh. The glue looks blue. I'll have to read the instructions, I'm guessing. But this one I'm thinking is going to work better on this side. So we'll see if I'm right. You always want to make sure it's tacky. I think I should just really snap a picture. Let's try it. Always right above your lash line, go ahead and put it down in the middle first, and then take, probably going to be easier to use your fingers or tweezers, or you might have to turn these for the inner part. These are pretty nice lashes. Okay guys, so my final thoughts. Nothing in this box wowed me at all. I do like the lashes. I do think they are quite expensive. I do like the tools. The tool worked okay. The actual lash glue worked fine too. And I'm pretty picky with glue. I usually like the Igloo, which I've showed you guys before, adhesive. That's like my favorite go-to, but this one actually wasn't bad. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, I don't think it's worth the money. $45? No. I mean, the shadows are super powdery. They crumble a little bit. You got to take extra time blending, but I mean, we can do a few swatches. It's just they're super powdery. There wasn't that much trouble blending them, but they did disappear. I mean, it's not a good eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to come out and say it. It's definitely not worth the price that they have it labeled for. And I don't buy Laura Geller stuff. So overall, though, I mean, you could get a look to work, at least 2 out of the 12 shades blended okay. As far as the rest of the stuff, the Manicadar setting mist I will definitely use. The serums I can always use. Skincare, so I'm fine with that. The booty drops, they actually dried down and now it just feels kind of silky and it looks a little bit shiny. So overall, was it worth $25? Yeah, I think so. I'll definitely get more use out of these lashes, that's for sure. But I want to know your thoughts. Are you getting the same box I am? If so, are you excited about it? Have you ever used Laura Geller shadows before? I've got to know the answer to that. Put that down in the comments below. Did you like them? Did they perform well for you? I mean, guys, you don't have to agree with me. If you like something about it, definitely tell me. It's a nice community down there in the comments, and I love reading what you guys have to say, and we all read each other's comments. So if there's something you have to add, definitely do it. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel. And if you could, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!